What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about theme park tickets, how to purchase them, and where not to purchase them at Walt Disney World. But before we start today's YouTube video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified for my future videos that come out, and hit and kick that like button so this YouTube video can go out to the YouTube universe. So before I go deeper on this video, the one mistake that people do is not purchase their tickets in advance to Walt Disney World, and they wait the day of when they get here to Florida, to Walt Disney World, to purchase their tickets. When you do that, one, you're wasting a lot of time and your family's time that you can go have fun, and two, you are paying a higher price rather than purchasing your tickets in advance in a lower price. So currently online at the Disney website right now, Disney is offering two tickets, one for Florida residents and two for a standard theme park ticket, which is for non-Florida residents. For the Florida residents, you can go to 1, 3, or 4-day ticket, and for the non-Florida resident, for the standard theme park tickets, you can purchase all the way to 1 day, all the way to a 10-day ticket. That's a lot of days at Walt Disney World. But I do want to point out that the more days you choose the Florida resident ticket or the standard theme park ticket, you will get a cheaper rate, and the less days you choose, you will get a higher rate. Now, if you do want to park hop, the park hopper option, you have to pay extra for. It is not included with the Florida resident ticket or the standard theme park ticket. You have to pay extra for the park hopper option if you want to include for all those days when you're going to Walt Disney World vacation. The prices right now for the Florida resident ticket for 1 day, and for 1 day for a standard theme park ticket if you're a non-Florida resident, it starts at $109 per day per person. Now you must be asking, Jose, once I purchase my family and I's tickets at Walt Disney World on their website, what do I do next? Because it doesn't say Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, or Animal Kingdom. It doesn't say where I purchased the tickets for. So for example, I'm gonna just put this in an example. Let's say you're a family of 4 and you just purchased your tickets for 4 days for Walt Disney World, but it didn't say any of the parks where you purchased for. All you did was purchase a 4-day ticket for your family of 4. You purchased, in addition, you paid for a park hopper option for all those days that you purchased your ticket for Walt Disney World. Now Disney has a theme park reservation system that you have to, after you purchase your tickets, now you have to add your theme park reservation. That's on another website, and I'm sure once you purchase your tickets, it will tell you to do your theme park reservations for your family. Do not skip that. You do have to make a theme park reservation for your family and yourself for those 4 days that you purchase your ticket. So let's say the first day is Magic Kingdom, that's available. That's your first reservation. The second day is Epcot. The third day is Hollywood Studios, and the fourth and last day is Animal Kingdom. You booked all your reservations for your family of 4, and all those tickets are there and linked to your My Disney Experience app on your phone, and now you're good. Now you have your 4 reservations, your 4 theme park reservations, and your tickets purchased, plus a park hopper option that you purchased in addition, and now you are set to go to Walt Disney World. Second question, but Jose, I purchased my park hopper option. How does that work? So when you do a theme park reservation, let's say I'm going to the Magic Kingdom like I did for example, family of 4. I'm going to Magic Kingdom for the first day of my trip because that's my first reservation. I'm gonna wake up early, go to the Magic Kingdom, have some fun, eat some breakfast, some Starbucks, ride People Mover, go to Big Thunder Mountain, blah blah blah, you know, and ride and stuff and enjoy the theme park. And I'm there all the way to 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is when you want to park hop to Epcot, Hollywood Studios, or Animal Kingdom. You just take a bus at Magic Kingdom and just go to Epcot, Hollywood Studios, or Animal Kingdom. So to make it basic and to make it simple, starting at 2 p.m. you can start park hopping to your other parks because you added a theme park hopper option to your ticket to those 4 days. And there you go. There is your easiest tip guide to your 4-day ticket for your family of 4. You add a park hopper option and you have your theme park reservations all for those 4 days, and you can park hop after 2 p.m. and you're enjoying your Walt Disney World vacation. Yeah, the reason why it's harder in 2022 to do a theme park tickets, to purchase theme park tickets at Walt Disney World online or on property, is because now you have to add a theme park reservation, and not all theme parks are going to be available even if you purchase your Walt Disney World ticket. So I will leave Disney World number in the description down below. It's never happened to me, my family, or people that I know, my friends that go. I have never heard of stories like that they have purchased tickets and then they haven't gone into a theme park. I'm sure that Disney has a way that people that purchase tickets on property and on their website, that they have first dibs to the theme park reservations, because these people actually spend more money than annual pass holders and DVC members. Think about it, these people actually go out of pocket to spend 10-day ticket plus park hopper options and a resort, so they spend more money than the annual pass holders and the DVC members. So let me know if this video has helped you guys out. I love you guys so much. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll leave all the links to the theme park reservation, theme park tickets on Disney's website, and the link down in the description down below. So if you guys need help for your next Disney World vacation, the links will be down in the description down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to be in the comments down below. I will help you and guide you to your next Walt Disney World vacation. So with that being said, go live life, do what you love, and remember, always follow your dreams. Bye guys.